But for now, I've just saved you the trouble of wasting your time and set the whole thing up. Turning on my gen. Keep people. As some of you may know, I have just completed the process of registering my business in the US, and I've gotten my EIN sent to me from the US by the IRS, and everything is set for me to start opening accounts. And the first one we're going to do is Stripe. And my name is Francis, and I am a freelancer going on almost a decade. On this channel, we'll talk about everything freelancing, productivity, and personal finance for freelancers. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Now let's get to it. While I was editing the video, I realized I missed out a crucial information, and that's to tell you about some things that you might need even after registering your US LLC and having your EIN. And that is the cost of getting a VPS and an ITIN. You would hear a lot of people tell you to not open a PayPal account or Stripe using the IP address from your home country. Now, I won't go into the technical details of the difference between the VPS and the VPN, but just know that the VPS is a little more stable and often recommended and used by companies. And also the VPSs are not something that you do to try to be shady. Even companies that operate from the US actually use VPSs. The VPS could cost anywhere from $5 to $25 and even above every single month for subscription. The VPS and the ITINs are often recommended optional things that you can have to tighten up your business, but it's possible for you to do the whole process without using them. So what I'm going to do in the first phase of this experiment is to try to do it without my ITIN and the VPS, so that anyone who doesn't want to incur that additional cost will know exactly how it goes and if it's even possible for you to do it without them. But it's not something you should worry too much about. I just wanted to let you know that in this whole video, I am not using any VPSs, and we're not going to use an ITIN. Let's get back to the video. Now, we are going to head on to the Stripe website. And once here, of course, you want to click on Start Now. You're going to get to the page to enter your email and your country. Now you're going to select the United States. It's not you that's signing up for Stripe, it's your US business. And then, of course, we are going to provide our password. And once I provide this, I am going to click to create my account. Technically, we've created our account, but that is not all. We have to tell Stripe more about our business, and for that we are going to click on Start to provide all the information that will be required of us. Once I click on Start here, I'm going to get to this page where I have 5 steps and things I need to provide. The business location again is the United States, and the type of business, we're going to select the company because we have our LLC. In my case, it's single member, so I'm just going to select that and click on Continue. And now we'll get to the next part where I have to tell more about my business. I'm going to enter my legal business name. And for me, it's my name with the LLC as a suffix right there. Whatever it is for you, you want to enter that exactly as it appears on your LLC documents. Then you have your registered business address as you have them on your document, the industry, and a brief description of what you do. Like I've done there, I've just said I do music and all of that, and we can go to the next step. Now we're going to verify our personal details, your first name, your last name, your email address, your date of birth, your home address, and here you can enter Nigeria as your home address because that's where you live, or whatever country that you live and you have your business registered in the US. It's fine, you can provide that address here as your home country. And then you can also provide your home address numbers and everything. Then there is also a provision for us to enter our social security number, but I'm going to just select the NGN and it will turn to NIN for my national identity number as a Nigerian. So you select your country and provide that. And now this is what's going to be on public record. And here it requires for me to provide a US phone number. And this is where you will need a virtual US phone number service. And I made a video on how you can get one, and I'll leave a link to that. It's relatively inexpensive and you can also get it for free. I'll show you how you will get it for free in that video, and I'll leave the link in the description. I am going to enter my US phone number here, and I'm going to just turn it on to be seen by the public. I don't mind because it's my business number. And then customer service, everything, I select my business address, the US address I got from Fly My Mall that is on my LLC record. And then we move over to adding your bank. And this is where you're going to use any of the neobank accounts that you have. Right now, I am going to provide my GigPay account and see if it will work. So I have Wise, I have Gray, but I'm just going to provide GigPay just because I know it's easy for people to get, so that I know that most of you will already have a GigPay account, and let's see if it will work. So I'm going to enter the routing number from my GigPay account, and then the account number, and then confirm the account number, and we see if that will link through. And as you can see, that's my account, and we can proceed with the process. So you can see you can always link another account and all of that. So I'm going to click on continue, and now we can tighten up the security on our account by setting up an authenticator. This process is really easy. So you scan your the barcode on your authenticator app, copy the one-time password, and paste it on your account. I've gotten that on my phone. I'm just going to copy it and paste, and then I also get a backup code that I will save onto my computer, and this is to be kept safe so that you can use it to get into your account in case something happens and you're locked out. So I'm going to download that and keep it somewhere safe. Okay, that's a very important document. And now we have set up security. You can always add more methods, but I'm just going to continue. And then here we're going to set up automated sales tax calculation. Not something I think you should bother too much about right now. So yeah, for now I'm just going to skip that. And then we get to the next part where they're asking for us to show customers our climate commitment. So if you set to pay 1% of your earnings as you're getting paid by your clients into your Stripe account, Stripe will automatically take 1% to put into climate whatever. So yeah, if you want to do that, that's fine. So I'm having some issues here, so I'm going to edit to see what they're asking of me. Oh, okay. So yeah, I put the address in line 2 instead of line 1. So you want to watch out for that. So now I have set everything up and I can review the entire thing that I have set up. That's my management, my address, my bank account, everything. I can agree and submit. And once that's done, we have gone through almost all of the process. Once you click on agree and submit, you can see that we still have some things in the red. We still have requirements to meet. I'm going to click to add information to see exactly what I need to add. And they're requiring for a document, like for me to verify with an ID. So this process is pretty easy. You complete the verification on your phone. You're going to use a QR code scanner on your phone and get the link that they're going to send to you. And this link will be for you to take a picture, a live picture, not the upload, a live picture of your document. So I took a picture of my driver's license. That's all they were requiring from me. So I'm going to go back now that I've verified that, and go back to my page and the dashboard and see what's happening. And I think we're good. I think everything is cleared now. As you can see, they said, thanks for verifying your identity. Your payouts have been re-enabled. So that means I can now make withdrawals and use my Stripe account as I am supposed to. And just to prove to you that this has worked, this is my website where I sell my digital products, my vocal sample packs, and also my songwriting services. And I'm going to make a purchase out of my own account into my Stripe. And I have gone on to set up this whole thing on my back end. I'm using WordPress. If you want me to teach you how to set it up on your WordPress site, let me know in the comments and I will make a dedicated video on how to set it up. So here I am on my website. I am going to proceed to make a purchase of one of my products here. I am going to enter a coupon code because I don't want to pay myself $24.99. So I've set up a 95% coupon code so that we can do this test, and I'm going to pay myself $1.25. So let's proceed to checkout. On my site, I can collect payment via PayPal, but the bottom one here is a Stripe that I've just set up. So I'm going to enter my credit card details, and as you can see, it's been processed and I've paid myself $1.25. And you can see on my Stripe account that the amount has reflected on my dashboard. And there it is, the $1.25. If you view the payment, you can see it's from Vocal Services, from my website, and that's my email address and everything. And of course, Stripe is going to take their percentage, and I'm left with 89 cents on my USD balance. Now, Stripe pays out within 1 to 4 business days of initiating the payout, either manually or automatically. I think by default, once you set up your Stripe account, it's set to automatically pay out, and it's been a couple of days. That payout of about 89 cents have actually been sent out from my Stripe into my GigPay account, and I have that balance in my account. So this is going full circle. We've created our Stripe account, integrated it with my website, made a purchase, we saw the balance immediately reflect on our Stripe, and the payout has also been sent out to my GigPay account, and I've received it and I can withdraw it. So if this was $1,000, $20,000 from your business, that's exactly how it's going to be processed. And you can see I can get it into my GigPay and from there into my local bank account. So because I wanted to test this whole thing to its limits, I actually logged into my Stripe account on my phone. I downloaded the app and logged in to see if it's going to cause my account to have any issues or be shut down or something, because I have never had PayPal and Stripe where I had the confidence to log into my account on my phone. But because I've now done this the legal way and having my business registered, I wanted to see if I could log into my account on my phone and have it on the go. And yeah, so you can see it's working, everything is fine. So just in case you wanted to do this and you're wondering, can I log into my phone? I've been testing this for a couple of weeks and no issues. I see everything on my phone just as I see on the web app. You can go ahead and log in on your phone.